Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't work properly on this phone. So let's try to set up a new fingerprint model on your device. So to do that, go to Settings and select Lock Screen and AOD. Then go to Screen Lock and Biometrics. Select Fingerprints. If you have some previously installed fingerprints on your device, then remove them. Now set a pin for your device if you didn't do that before. Okay. Go to Fingerprints and then click Continue. And before you start adding any fingerprints, wipe the surface of the fingerprint scanner using a dry towel in order to make sure that it's clean and smooth and it reads your fingerprints properly. Okay, and as you can see right now we can start. So move your fingerprint around the sensor, but before you do that, click register, of course. Try to touch the fingerprint using each part, sensor using each part of your fingerprint. And when you're done, click done. Then let's test and see if the fingerprint is recognized. And once we know that it is, let's go back to the settings and let's also check if your system is up to date. And in order to do that, go to the software update settings, and if you have any software update to install, then take your time and do that. And just before we continue, let's restart the phone. So hold down the power key for a while, then select restart and let your phone reboot. And once your phone is restarted, give it some time to reload. And then let's try to unlock the device using the fingerprint. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly for me the first time. Let's check it a couple more times. And as you can see, everything works well, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helps you in any way, then please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.